Almost there. Last note. Brilliant. We got the timing. Let's see what we got as a score. 3 stars. Oh, amazing. So, oh yes, I made it to level 2. So now that I've reached level 2, I just had to practice once and perform once, and I made it to the next level, which means we can choose more songs. Oh, wonderful. So now I can play song number 2, which is kind of nice because you can't just play all the songs and choose whatever you want. You have to put in your work to practice and then perform to get to the next song, to unlock each song.